sa programa ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, the BACC Hour, tuwing Lunes, alas 12 ng tanghali, dito lang sa DWSB 89.5 Subic Bay FM. Marami pong salamat at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Si Chairman Alinio po ito ng SBMA. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong makinig sa programa ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, the BACC Hour, tuwing Lunes, alas 12 ng tanghali, dito lang sa WSB 89.5 Subic Bay FM. Marami pong salamat at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat ulit.
Subic Bay Radio. Hey, welcome. As you guys heard, tuwing Lunes dito sa 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, The Morning Brew Show. Kasama na natin yung mga kaibigan natin from the VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, Olongapo and Zambales Chapter. Ayan, welcome pa ng ating dear chairman and administrator, Eduardo Jose L. Alinio. Ayan, kaninang umaga lang yun, fresh hot off the grill, kanina lang. So, thank you our dear sir. So, pakilala ko po muna sa inyo yung ating mga magiging kasama dito sa yung ating magiging panelists every time we do this radio program, ang ating mga kapatid sa BACC. Siguro let's do self-introduction na lang para kayo po magpakilala isa-isa sa ating mga tagapakinig. Let's start with our Okay. Sige po, sir. It's on. Ayan, pakilala po tayo isa-isa. Sige, starting up with sir.
Ako na yan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Kayo po.
Okay.
Sir Fer,
thank you very much, DJ
yes.
Tom. Yeah.
Definitely
and of
welcome,
course,
sir.
I would like to welcome myself dito po sa 89.5 Subic. Okay. So, this is from the BACC group of the Olongapo Zambales chapter. Yours is Fernando Julian, the chapter head of Olongapo Zambales chapter.
There you go.
And with me are our officers.
Si Sir Fer is our...
Please stay tuned every Monday, 12 to 1, for the BACCR.
VACC Hour.
Yeah.
Ayan. He's our chapter head, si Sir Fer. Okay? And next to Sir Fer is... Of course. Sige po. Let's share the microphone na lang. Pasensya na.
Hello.
Kulang sa mic eh.
That's okay. So thank you very much, Kaffer, for that introduction, introducing our group, VACC, the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. So my name is Alan Lim. I am the treasurer. I'm one of the officers ng BACC Olongapo Zambales chapter.
Okay.
Yes po. Okay.
The treasurer.
The treasurer.
Ayan.
Ako po yung
tagapangalaga.
Opo. Sana po meron pong kinakount eh. Wala po
sana may inaalagaan.
Sana may inaalagaan. Sana all. Opo.
We will, mamaya, a little later, we will delve deep into that. So,
yes, sir.
natin yan, no?
Definitely.
Opo,
okay
ayan.
po. So,
okay.
next
to introduce, sige po, may mic na siya. Ayan.
Hello, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ako po si Esther Fernandez, isa sa mga kasama ng VACC Olongapo Zambales chapter.
Ayan, Madam Esther, your role for VACC is you're the
secretary po.
Secretary, I mean.
Pwede po. Pwede.
Ayan, ang next na magpapakilala
yes po, magandang umaga. Ninda Elefani po, BACC member ng Olongapo.
Auditor. Ayan. Okay. Alright, ang taga-audit ng ating grupo. Sige po. And next to our dear auditor, of course.
Yes, good morning po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig sa 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. And I'm Jepro Julian, of course, one of the members of BACC Olongapo Zambales chapter.
Okay. All right. So we were gonna be doing this every Monday po. Antabayanan nyo lagi tuwing alas 12 ng Lunes dito sa 89.5 Subic Bay Radio on one of the segments of the Morning Brew Radio Show every Monday. Ayan, okay. Since we introduced na yung ating miyembro ng VACC, siguro let's tell them, no? Pag-usapan po natin, let's tell them what the VACC is all about. Ayan. So, who would like to take do the honor?
Yes, Press. Do the honor po.
Alright, sige sir.
Kindly explain, sir, ano po yung ating
what's we're all about and
what is VACC all about, ano po yung advocacy natin ng chapter
Yeah,
and
okay.
sa national.
Okay, thank you, Ka Allen. Yeah, of course, BACC was founded by our founding chairman, the late Dante Jimenez and Visconde, no? And as of now, we got the national president. Kalimutan ko. Okay, our national president is now Arsenio Boy Evangelista. The
Boy
famous Boy
Evangelista,
Evangelista.
yeah.
Oo. And look into the history of Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Ito po yung mga mga family na kung saan nagkaroon sila ng mga experiences na they were not able to find justice. And especially yung mga crime na encounter po nila yung mga heinous crime.
Yeah.
That was down to their family. Ako naman po, I was here because I experienced also injustice when I was charged of frustrated murder. No? And for 5 years, medyo inaatinan ko po yan sa court. Although the victim is still alive when nung mag-execute siya ng affidavit of desistance, hindi na po tinanggap ng court yun eh. Kasi nakapag-bail na ako na yan. And really, it's really sudden. Palabas ako ng Subic Bay noon eh. Sa main gate, nung may sumalubong sa akin isang kaibigan na I was charged and I got warrant of arrest. So, nag-bail kaagad ako. So, that time pala, pag nabigyan ka na ng warrant of arrest, nag-bail ka, tapos yung victim, nag-issue pa ng affidavit of desistance, hindi na pala i-accept yun.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Kaya
tuloy-tuloy
nga, I'm also here, no, na ang ibig sabihin, hindi lahat na nakakulong talagang they committed a crime. Oo. In Olongapo City, it was, when was that? 2017, no? When we welcomed the chairman, who is the chairman that we welcome? No.
Chairman of SBMA.
Oo. The BACC also. Dino, yeah. Martin Dino. When we welcome Martin Dino as the chairman of the SBMA, then we met the late Dante Jimenez and with Caben Evangelista, our founding chairman here in Olongapo, Natividad, no? Caben or Benito Ben Natividad, no? Meeting po tayo, and was given the go signal by the founding by Dante Jimenez, and also by then Boy Evangelista to put up the chapter here in Olongapo, Zambales, and that started BACC here in Olongapo, Zambales.
Ayun, doon nagsimula po yung pagtatatag ng ating chapter dito, Olongapo Zambales.
Yes,
Sakop natin Olongapo and Zambales. Ayan.
2017.
Okay. So also we are in the process of recruiting more members pa sana, no? As you guys all know, probably a lot of you know na this started with the when the Visconde massacre happened, no? Tama ba ako? If I
Yes,
remember
sir.
it right.
And siguro, I would like to to please introduce yourself as member of the BACC.
Yeah,
Jay
opo.
Tong.
Yeah. Actually, I already did
And what is
kanina.
your task?
Sabi ko nga, being a member of the VACC, so I invited you guys to I'm the by the way, yours truly is the recruitment officer for VACC. Yan, sa mga gusto pong sumali, if you guys wanna join, you can get in touch with me or simply visit our we have our official Facebook page.
Yes, sir.
Just look it up, VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, Olongapo Zambales chapter, yung aming official Facebook page. And soon enough, we will be posting the official form, registration form, the link.
Yes, sir.
For it.
Link po.
So pwede pong sumali online lang. You just
Yes,
gonna
sir.
be one click away. I-click nyo lang and then you will fill up a form and
Yes,
then
sir.
it will be reviewed by our officers.
Exactly po. They just need to upload their NBI clearances.
Yes, yes.
Yung kanilang barangay clearance, yun, 1x1 photo or
Yes.
2x2.
Yes.
Po.
Syempre naman we need to review each and
Yes,
every
opo,
member na
hindi naman
sasali.
pwede lahat,
We
sir.
just don't allow anybody
to join us.
And syempre pa rin po, kasama pa rin, correct me if I'm wrong, syempre kailangan may passion in helping out,
Opo.
fight crime and corruption. Kaya that's why we have our yung tatlong importanteng words na
Yes.
kaakibat lagi ng ating VACC.
Kasi
no?
VACC, sir, is all about volunteerism. So dapat we must stay committed doon sa ating
Yeah.
org.
Okay. Ayan, so invite them. Sir Alan, since you're holding the mic right now.
Yes, sir. So I'm
Invite them to
inviting
join.
everyone, to all listeners right now sa 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. So invite ko kayo to join us sa VACC to fight against crime and corruption. So yun po yung pinaka-advocacy natin, to fight crime and corruption. Yan po.
So we need more people with passion
Exactly.
to help to volunteer.
Help them seek justice doon po sa kanilang mga
Okay. This next question goes out to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Syempre, we all know na si Ka Fer yata from the start, no? How about the others? How long have you guys been with VACC? Gano'n na katagal? Isa-isa?
To start with, siguro ako, almost the same kami ni Kafer.
Sabay halos, no?
2017.
2017.
Oo.
At Liesel Hotel.
At Liesel Hotel. Opo. Started 2017 with the late Kuya Ben Benito Natividad. Siya yung ating
Our founding chairman.
founding
in
chairman ng
Olongapo,
Olongapo Zambales chapter.
Ang ating kaibigan na si Kaben. For those who don't know, by the way, napag-usapan na rin lang si Kaben.
Yes po.
He used to DJ din for 89.5
Ay,
Subic Bay Radio.
grabe.
During the earlier years. This was before 2017. He was our DJ Jack Ryan.
Jack Ryan. Ayan ang kanyang
And
galing.
I am proud to say ako yung voice niya whenever ini-introduce na siya on 89. I'm gonna do it one more time for him to salute as my
Yes.
sort of salute for him. Ito po, hayaan niyo po akong gawin. On 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, it's DJ Jack Ryan.
Wow,
And then
galing.
papasok na siya.
Oo.
Tapos magpapatugtog siya and then
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun,
Opo, tagal. He had a short stint lang naman, hindi gaanong nagtagal.
In addition to that, sir, DJ Tommy, si Kuya Ben is also part din ng telco department. Na-mention niya sa akin before na siya yung voice kapag tumatawag ka sa SBMA doon sa kanilang IVR.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yung para sa mga operators yata.
Yes,
yun.
operator. Thank you for calling SBMA. Parang ganun. Siya daw yung noon.
The number you dialed is not a number.
Yes.
It's an
parang
alphabet. Siya pala yun.
Yes, opo.
Ay, hindi ko alam yun.
And now we are being joined by his first lady,
Of course. Yes. Dr. Eve.
Evelyn
Natividad. Yes po.
Alright. So going back to the question, since na-mention niyo si Dr. Eve and wala siya dito. Si Dr. Eve naman, how long has she been with
Same year po. Ever since na
So,
yung VACC na simulan 2007. Sir, tama po ka, Fer, no?
Yeah.
Yes, magkakasama po kami.
If you don't mind, kasi Doktora is Lozano.
Yeah.
The daughter of the late Attorney Lozano.
Yes.
Who are also
And
pioneers
they're also
of
victim.
Victim po. Dun sa
Victim.
kapatid.
who are also pioneering members of
Yes,
the
sir.
VACC. You know?
Opo.
Ayan. So 2017 to 2024, that's 7 years, no? All in all, 7 years na yung mga talagang nauna. And
Yes, sir.
who's next? How many years have you been with
Okay.
VACC? The same
Ma'am,
question.
Ka Esther.
Ma'am Esther?
We're the same po. Isang
27. Lahat po pala, no? Lahat naman, ano? So, ang latecomer lang pala talaga is ako. How about si Ka Francis? Sabi nga pala ni Ka Francis, introduce din natin siya. Si Sir Francis Mercado
Pastor.
is
The Vice Chairman.
BACC Zambales Vice Chairman po
Vice
ba?
Chairman.
And Provincial Coordinator din.
Yes,
Ayan.
at the same time provincial coordinator.
Oh,
And we also
ayan.
got the regional coordinator, and that
Let's
is
acknowledge him.
Camilbert
Lawan.
Kagawad Adlawan.
Yes,
He
sir.
is one of
Nasa
the...
session pa yata ng West Bakbak.
Yeah. Ayan. Tapos sabi pa ni
Kamani.
Ka Francis, ano pa? He's also an associate pastor at the Church of God Subic.
Yes.
Drug prevention specialist
Yun.
at Special Drug Education or the SDEC. Ayan. Olongapo City, Bantay, Tulay, Gabay. Ayan.
Yes,
Nag-send
Bantay,
kasi siya ng
Tulay, Gabay.
ano niya eh, ng notes para since he's not gonna make
Ay,
it
kung
today.
nanonood ka, Ka Francis, good afternoon. Ka Milbert and Ka Emani Oranza.
Oranza.
Yes, sir.
Si Kamani. Si Kamani, same din, ano, since we started.
Opo,
Pati na rin si
2017.
Ka Jepro, no, since we started.
Yes.
Ayan. I'm very talented, by the way, na si Ka Jepro.
Galing.
Galing.
Narinig
Panood
mo,
ko yung
sir,
video
no?
niya, kumakanta. Ang galing eh, no?
My Way.
Oo. Napaka-talented na mama.
Yeah. Sample. Pwede ba mag-sample? Sir?
Pwede.
And before we proceed, I would like to welcome my cousin,
Opo.
Heidi Felipe Ball.
Wow.
Hello, madam.
Used to be in the United States for 33 years, but she never applied to be a U.S. citizen because she loved to be Filipino.
Yun.
Welcome to
Masarap,
the Philippines. Heidi.
masarap pa rin talaga maging Pilipino. Wherever
Yes.
we may be. Thank you for doing that, madam. All right. Also, yung mga naging past accomplishments po natin na parang pwede nating i-report sa bayan. So far, ano na po ba ang mga naging past accomplishments ng VACC? These are okay to broadcast, right? Okay lang naman. Yeah.
Okay lang kasi our task really and the advocacy of the BACC of course is to go against crime and corruption. But for the
Okay.
Olongapo City chapter, when it was introduced by Caben Natividad and was agreed by the body that we will not go after the criminals, no,
Yeah.
the corrupt personnel in the government, but instead we are going to work on how we are going to improve the values of our young generation, and thus we introduce by giving seminars the values education enrichment program.
Or the
So
VIP.
anyone who would like to give us the chance po na makapagbigay ng seminar sa inyong mga organization, sa inyong mga school, just give us a note and we'll be there. We will give seminars about BIP, the Values Education Enrichment Program. And we assist, no? And there are some crimes like molestation of child na ina-assist po natin. And we go on court watch para po masubaybayan din natin yung mga ina-assist nating mga mga victim ng hindi nating inaasahang crime. And it's even within the family. Marami yung ina-assist po tayo yung within the family. And thank you nga po pala sa ating legal officer, the committee chairperson of the legal committee of the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption Olongapo Zambales chapter, Attorney Noel Atienza.
Attorney Noel. He's our
Attorney
legal,
Noel, alam ko nakikinig ka dyan.
Yes, attorney. Kamusta po?
Siya po yung ating tagapagtaguyod ng mga lumalapit po sa atin when it comes to legal matters.
Yeah. Sa mga susunod siguro na episode, makakasama sa atin si
Yes, opo.
Attorney Noel. And pag nandito po siya, kayong mga nakikinig ngayon, pwede po kayong mag-interact with us. Baka may
Yes,
may mga
question.
katanungan legal kayo na maaari
Yes.
niyang masagot.
Yes.
Ayan, sa mga susunod na episodes. Pati na rin pala ang ating dear chairman and administrator nagparating ng kanyang mensahe.
Yes, thank you very much.
Kino-congratulate niya ang VACC for having this radio program para maging tulay, gabay,
Bantay,
bantay.
tulay,
gabay.
gabay.
Bantay, tulay, gabay.
We are
Yeah.
your bantay,
Every
we
Monday.
are your tulay, and we are your
Yeah.
gabay.
Yes, kahit every Monday man lang magampanan natin yun dito sa radio station
Yes,
natin.
sir. Opo,
Yeah.
napaka-importante.
Opo. Okay. So, we will take the quick bottom of the hour break. This will be real quick. Diyan lang po kayo. Okay nga, Ales. We will be back with more. We will discuss more about VACC here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We will be right back.
Need help while in Subic? The following SBMA emergency numbers are available whenever you need assistance in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department and 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center. Again, keep these emergency hotline numbers handy. 911 for landline or 9111 for mobile phones for emergency calls. 252-4830 or 0917-569-8467 for the SBMA Fire Department. 252-4911 or 0917-563-4457 for the SBMA Law Enforcement Department. 252-4880 for the SBMA Public Health and Safety Department and 02-886-50500 or 0915-777-7777 for One Hospital Command Center.
This is a friendly reminder from Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Let us make Subic Bay Freeport Zone COVID-free.
Para bang sinusunog ang aking laman. Ramdam ko ang bawat haplos ng kanyang kamay sa aking katawan. Ngunit hindi ko hahayaan na diktahan ng mundo ang dapat na pinaglalaban ko. Hindi ako babae lang.
Ang pananakot kapalit ng pagtatalik at iba pang uri ng pambabastos sa babae, lalaki o sino man ay isang krimen at paglabag sa sexual harassment of RA 7877.
Hindi sila malakas, hindi ka mahina, lumaban ka.
A message from Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, Gender and Development.
Congratulations! Nanalo ng 1 million pesos ang SIM card mo. Padala ka ng 1,000 load para maklaim? Ha? Totoo ba to?
Paalala po ng National Telecommunications Commission o NTC, pag nakatanggap ng text na humihingi ng pera o load, huwag agad maniwala. Ibigay sa NTC ang kanilang number para maaksyonan at huwag ding buburahin ang kadudadudang text na natanggap. Para sa mga katarungan sa NTC tungkol sa text scam, magsadya sa NTC One Stop Public Assistance o OSPAP sa BIR Road, East Triangle, Diliman, Quezon City o tumawag sa 926-7722 o sa 921-3251.
This is a gender and development project of the National Telecommunications Commission.
The holidays are coming. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Trees, family, food. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. From 89.5.
89.5.
My Subic Bay Radio and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority.
Hello, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Si Chairman Alinio po ito ng SBMA. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong makinig sa programa ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, the BACC Hour, tuwing Lunes, alas 12 ng tanghali, dito lang sa DWSB 89.5 Subic Bay FM. Marami pong salamat at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat ulit.
Okay, we are back halfway this radio show called the VACC Hour, a weekly radio program of the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, VACC Olongapo Zambales chapter. Ayan, so going back where we left off, ano na nga ba yung pinag-usapan natin kanina? The accomplishments so far, mga nagawa na ng VACC, mga pinagkaabalahan at pati na rin yung kasalukuyang pinagkakaabalahan, kasalukuyang nangyari in the future to come pa, no? Ayan, ano pa nga po ba?
Actually, ang pinagkakaabalahan natin ngayon is we're looking forward for any schools or organizations that could invite us. Sa mga school, yung mga NSTP coordinator.
Oh, okay.
Pinapadala natin ng letter. And it's one SBCI na na-postpone lang last Friday because of the suspension of the classes in all level. But we will push through on that. Wala pa lang tayong calendar. And we are looking forward that all NSTP coordinator ay pinapakinggan po tayo and looking forward na bigyan nyo po kami ng notice, ng call at we'll be there in your school or any organization so that ma-expound po natin yung values formation in our young generation now so that we could be able to preempt crime and corruption, especially yung mga yung mga threat natin sa drugs ngayon, di ba?
Okay.
Especially mga nag-aaral, ng criminology. Nanawagan po ako sa inyo. If you found anong tawag diyan sa mga drug test, may mga drug test na po yan ngayon. Sa mga school, meron tayong mga tinatawag na random and that is being allowed by CHED, at pag na found out po kayo, yung mga criminology student natin, na naging positive kayo dyan, didiri-diretso yan, and you can never be employed in our tribe bureau sa PNP, sa BJNP, sa lahat po na yan, and even on the Philippine Navy, Philippine Coast Guard, Armed Forces of the Philippines, wala na. You don't have your chance to have your career, to serve. Kaya po, iwas-iwas po tayo, mga kabataan, iwas po tayo dyan. Or even going into group, lalo na yun, mga nasa sa confined area, kahit hindi kayo gumagamit, second-hand smoker kayo, mapiperwisyo din kayo dyan. Meron na po tayong mga random testing ngayon. And found out na kayo maging positive, sira na po ang ating career. Again, we call
it the VIP, parang at the roots yung approach ng programa natin na ito. Ayan. So again, gaya nga ng sabi ni Ka-Fer, all schools that needs this kind of program to be added sa, mostly NSTP,
National Service Training Program,
yes,
under CWTS.
Last time I checked, Columban College, ayan, may NSTP. Halos lahat naman meron.
Lahat.
Ayan, okay. So, this is a great addition siguro sa mga NSTP program ng for all schools. Okay.
And we are going to provide that for free.
Free pa, Kalain mo.
Libre po yan. Libre ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption.
Akala ko mura na, nauutang pa. Yung pala, libre pa pala talaga. So, you guys can avail of that po. You can get in touch with us at as of now, ang tumatayong opisina ng VACC Olongapo Zambales Chapter is at SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges Inc. Ayan, okay. So, punta lang po kayo doon and ask about the VACC. Nandoon ang ating Ka-Fer lagi to assist you and answer your inquiries. Ayan. Tapos also, we have our official Facebook page. You can check it out, VACC. Actually, ang official name ng Facebook page po, yung Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Meron kasi yung dati VACC Olongapo. It's like a personal page, so we came up with something like a official page talaga that you guys can check. So ang keywords, pag hahanapin nyo po yun, i-type in nyo. Medyo mahaba nga lang, pero yun talaga. Kasi maraming VACC around the country, di ba? Merong iba't ibang chapter. So you have to really put Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, Olongapo Zambales Chapter. Yun talaga yung full name. Yeah.
And we always welcome everyone to join Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. We are not just here in Olongapo. Naglalagay po tayo ng mga officers, Yung iba kasi nagiging inactive na. So please help us to spread this advocacy of the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Baka po nandyan yung passion nyo against crime and corruption. Yung mga nasa municipality po ng Subic, Castilleo, San Marcelino, San Antonio, San Narciso, San Felipe, Cabangan, Botolan, Iba, Palawig, Masinloc, Candelaria, up to Santa Cruz po. Welcome po to join the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption.
Right. And speaking of naging inactive na, meron kasi may mga kasamahan tayo, baka nakikinig sila ngayon. Tawagan niyo po. Pwede ba na, after pandemic, medyo na nahimik na.
Yes, DJ Tommy.
Sige po, tawagan niyo sila.
I would like to invite yung mga members na ng VACC and also doon sa ating mga Muslim brothers like si Sir Alex Pasandalan para matap again yung ating inactive members na mag-active tayo uli Kasi medyo na-stop lang after pandemic yon. Medyo
pandemic is totally over now, so
yes.
Let's get back into helping providing.
We need more people, like-minded people to join the group para to help us fight against crime and corruption.
Also, I would like to add lang din, baka yung iba kasi they have a misconception of the VACC. Hindi po yung VACC yung humahabol sa criminal, hindi yung
Crime Watch po.
Crime Watch lang. We just provide assistance. Kunyari, merong controversial cases.
Yes,
we are there. Yung presence po natin, pinapakita natin that we support yung victim. Yung victim po, yes, yung victim. That we support them para magkaroon naman siya ng parang parang moral support, parang cheerer, parang
legal assistance.
Go fight and wag susuko, lalo na kung ikaw yung victim. Yun po ang role ng VACC. Kaya if you notice, kanina binanggit namin, kailangan may passion talaga sa pagtulong.
May passion talaga, sir.
Hindi yung lang, yung for picture taking lang. Talagang nandoon yung passion para tumulong.
We must be committed.
Hindi, tsaka kung karamihan tayo, among Filipinos will volunteer ourselves to be against crime and corruption. Wala nang crime, wala nang corruption.
Exactly.
We'll
Tama,
be in
exactly. Oo nga. That's a good point.
Lesson.
Excellent point, no, sir. Yeah.
Kasi sir, hindi lang medyo mahirap yung yung tawag dito. Kaya natin nabuo yung VIP para syempre maging preventive from the grassroots, syempre young generation, bata pa lang maimulat na sa kanila talaga na hindi maganda to.
At the roots binubunot mo na para hindi na mag-grow yung ganung dapat
kasi pag medyo mataas na, mahirap ng tagpasin.
Mahirap na. Papalakulin mo na pag mataas na.
Opo, sir.
Medyo mahirap yung effort na.
Mahirap yung effort.
I hope it's okay to ask this since we mentioned we give assistance sa mga victim ng mga heinous crime, yung mga controversial crimes. I hope it's okay to ask kung hindi, let me know. Was there ever a time na we assisted somebody tapos nakakatakot ang datingan dahil alam mo na controversial crime na syempre uma-assist tayo sa victim pero yung gumawa ng krimen nakakatakot baka idamay ka yung may ganung reputasyon ba? Was there ever a time we were in that situation?
Alam ko si Ka Allen.
Okay lang ba?
Witness siya dyan Ka Allen. Di ba?
Okay lang pag-usapan.
With Ka Francis, yung sa New Cabalan, di ba?
Opo.
Yung pinatay doon.
Sino na ngayong hinahanap na tao?
So yung tao, nakita ni Ka Allen, nagwi-withdraw dito sa SBMA.
Oo. Yung isang hinahanap na tao at large, after ko sa office, magwi-withdraw ko. Kasabay ko mismo nag-withdraw.
Na-tsempo pa, no?
Yes, oo. Talagang medyo nakakatakot yun kasi nakapila kami. Dalawa lang kami dun sa ATM machine. Nauuna siya. And then, parang siya hindi siya mapalagay na may tao hesitant siya sa na may tao sa likod niya. Pinauna niya ako. So syempre para to act normal pero namumukaan ko na siya at alam niya na namumukaan ko na siya. Kasi itong tao na to may patong siyang 10 million. 10 million pesos.
Oh my, that's really a scary situation.
So at inalerto nyo kami niya that time.
Yes, inalert ko sila lahat.
And we go around SBMA, nakita namin yung talagang mga police. They go around.
Yes, tama sir. Tapos
that person.
Ang mas nakakatakot doon, inabangan ako magkatabi ka pala ng sasakyan So binuksan niya yung pinto niya, nakatayo siya sa likod ng pintuan. I don't know kung mayroon na siya nakaabang na So I stay calm syempre para mas mapacify lang yung
But still, that's a really...
Pero, nerve-cracking.
He's He's nagtatago or...
Oo. Nagtatago talaga kasi 10 million yung patong Nag-iisip ako, 10 million ang buhay ko Pero doon siyempre sa buhay ko, madaling kita.
Biro mo, of all the people naman.
Of all the people, makakasabay niya. Buti nga, hindi ako naka-t-shirt ng VACC.
Bakit hindi mo yata kami binigyan ng patong
Pero you took talagang for that case, you took the witness stand talaga?
Yes, oo. Kasi talagang, nakakatakot.
Because you witnessed what happened? Tama
yes,
ba?
Sinare ko sa group in-alert ko kagad si Kaben that time.
Hindi, I mean, for the case, for the case.
Hindi na. Opo. So, ano bang background nun ka, Esther?
Hindi ko na.
Basta at large siya nun 10 million.
So that's one really scary situation.
Parang marami siyang para siyang gun for hire.
Mm-hmm.
Pero nahuli na siya, di ba? Nahuli na.
Okay. So, case closed na yun.
Case closed.
Natatandaan ko na. Yun dito sa ating auction. Yung sa auction yun.
Yes.
It was with the the auction case.
Yung pinatay sa tapat ng lighthouse.
Sa lighthouse, yes.
Yeah.
Pero nahuli yung mga yun sa Batangas.
Batangas na sila
nahuli.
Pero aside from him, may mga may mga hinabol pa, may mga hinanap pa na aside from
marami, sir.
marami.
Pero talagang nakakatakot din.
Hindi, alam nyo, kahit yung mag-assist lang tayo sa court na meron tayong in-assist na asawa. No? Mag-asawa.
Yes.
Kasi medyo na-molestya yung kanyang anak, yung kanyang lalaking asawa. Doon lang sa court Yung titingnan ka nung husband nung ina-assist natin
Yes.
Iba na yung feeling natin noon di ba?
Yeah, nerve-wracking talaga. Baka kung anong gawin or
Yes.
Tapos ang mahirap pa nun, baka may mga, alam mo na yun, may mga associates pa yan sa labas na
yes.
ibilin parang gano'n. Yeah. Okay. So, pero so far naman, we've been doing what we're doing na, wala, knock on wood, wag naman sana, na wala pa namang
wala naman, sir.
Any untoward incident na nangyari sa
lagi
mga
naman
miyembro
nakagabay si Lord sa atin kasi for the good naman yung purpose natin.
Okay. How about the as you guys all know, hindi lang naman heinous crimes and with corruption. So far, what have we done fighting corruption? Kasama na dyan syempre in the city, in the Subic Bay Freeport, mga karatig-pok natin. Zambales kasama medyo
we are on watch.
Malawak yung binabantayan natin.
We are on watch against corruption. Kaya lang is really hard to get evidence. The paper trail, yung mga ganyan. Ang hirap
Yeah.
You see, I used to be the presidency of one school. No? We know about vouchers, scholarship in TESDA. Pero don't you know that those vouchers are for sale?
For sale?
Yeah.
Really?
With 25% mapupunta sa coordinator. Now I'm revealing this kasi
pero supposed to be libre po yan from the DepEd, tama ba?
No, from TESDA.
From TESDA, I'm sorry, from TESDA.
Other politicians na mayroong silang pondo intended for the vouchers, yung WACPEA na tinatawag. Pero there are kasi yung mga politician, I don't think if they know that, pero yung mga coordinator nila, yun yung nakikipag-transact. Ako as BACC, even we got yung mga Tibet Forum, tumatayo ako diyan, sinasabi ko hindi ako sasali sa ganyan. Kahit wala na akong vouchers, wala akong scholarship, hindi ko kukonsinti niyan. Because that's graft and corruption.
Exactly. Yeah, we feel mighty proud of.
Within the government, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi maganda. Kaya sana po tayong lahat ng mga TBI administrator, let's go against that. Huwag po nating hayaang nandiriyan sila at pagsamantalahan nila tayo. Kasi 25% for the gross, napakalaki. Napakalaki.
Kumikita talaga na tubong lugaw.
At saka I would like to emphasize also. Alam mo, meron akong driving school. Ang LTO, ang daming fixer.
Okay.
Kaya sabi nila walang fixer. Ang daming fixer. Even some of the driving school around, mga fixer din. No? Fixer din. How they are doing that. Meron pong theoretical driving course and that needs to be done seminars for 2 days. Alam nyo ba, yung iba dyan, pupunta na lang doon. Within that day, makakakuha ka ng theoretical driving course certificate para makakuha ka ng student permit. Then you could enroll on your practical driving course. So sana po wag natin gawin yan. Kasi you might as well, yung accident na dapat hindi mangyayari dahil magagaling sa theoretical naka-attend ng theoretical driving course yung ating mga magkakaroon ng driver's license, kung hindi na sila attend noon, automatic na
expedite na.
No? Even on the LTO examination, may fixer.
Yes.
No? Sabi siguro, tapang ni Peru yan. No, that's natural eh. That's nationwide. And I hate that.
Yan yung roots kung bakit minsan napapansin nyo umiinit yung ulo natin sa road dahil may mga hindi marurunong.
Yes.
Meron,
kasi
nagkaka-license
na lang ng
may lisensya na bigla.
Even I was approached by one dati. Ang sabi sa akin, hindi sir, wag ka na mag-exam. Okay na, babayaran mo. Sagot ko sa kanya, gusto ko kaya mag-exam. Ang sarap-sarap mag-exam.
Di ba?
Di ba?
Para to test your
exactly.
to check.
I don't wanna patronize yung nila, yung ina-offer nila na gano'n na tanggihan nyo. Mas mabuting go through the process.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang para hindi tawag doon, hilaw hausaw Magda-drive ka, hindi ka man marunong na nakakuha ka lang.
Alam nyo po, pag na-attenan natin ng theoretical driving course to have your driver's license, you will be a defensive driver.
Yes. Tama.
Kasi many of the drivers dito sa atin, hindi alam yung kahulugan ng defensive driving eh. No? Biglang huminto eh. Nabangga tuloy ako. Yung following too close, you're not a defensive driver. Di ba?
Tsaka po yung mga mahilig sa me first attitude. Ako
walang courtesy. Walang road courtesy. Di ba? Hindi nila naiintindihan yung mga yellow line, yung white broken line, yung yellow solid line.
First stop, first to go.
Wala. Hindi nila alam yan.
Lalo na sa SBMA, sir. Di ba? Kaya yung mga ibang driver coming from outside Subic Bay, pag napupunta sila
yan
dito,
naman may pagmamalaki natin.
nagugulat naman talaga dito sa atin, sa Freeport. Talagang first stop, first to go.
Yan po yun
very disciplined.
Yan yung naman na natin during the U.S. Naval Facility stay here in Olongapo City. Yung first to stop, first to go. Yan. Kaya po pag mapupunta po kayo rito sa Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority zone, sa mga intersection po natin dito, talagang you really need to stop first and wait kung sino yung mag-move na mas naunang huminto sa inyo. Or even turning left or right. Kasi yung iba, kala ko hindi na ako mag-i-stop kasi turning on right na ako.
Tsaka akala nila, Kaffer, minsan walang enforcer, walang traffic enforcer na nakakita or nakatingin. Hindi nila alam, may mga CCTV. Harangin na lang sila sa gate.
But it's really very safe here in SBMA to drive because of that culture. Naging kultura na yan dito.
Di ba, it was a couple of years ago, it was in the news na sa EDSA nga daw sana gustong i-pattern after dito sa, I know it's crazy dahil grabe, speaking of the sheer volume of the vehicles there, di ba? Parang mahirap, pero gusto nga talaga daw nila sana na ganun, na maging ganun din yung sabi ko, hope springs eternal. Kung talagang seryoso ka about it, talagang if you're gonna, kailangan lang kasi makita na ginagawa mo talaga i-implement mo talaga yung may nahuhuli talaga. Parang yung nalulungkot ako doon sa natin yung fight against plastics. Ang dami namang nagkakalat pero wala namang nahuhuli. Pero bawal ang plastic sa grocery. May city ordinance pero wala namang pong hinuhuli kasi Pero kung nakikita ng tao na may hinuhuli talaga, na ewan ko lang kung magkalat pa yung mga yan, talagang hinuhuli di ba? Pansin nyo tuwing magbabaha, kakalkalin yung ang daming plastic pa rin sa di ba? Pero tataka ka, may ordinance tayo against it, pero dami pa rin nagkakalat.
Grabe, DJ Giwi yung nakuha na plastic bottle sa mga basura sa coastal cleanup ng sa lighthouse, parang kahapon.
Last Saturday.
Last Saturday?
Yes. And it's I kind of feel it's unfair on the plastics. We keep blaming the plastics. Hindi naman yung plastic may kasalanan, yung tao. Parang yung baril lang yan, di man kasalanan ng baril yan, yung tao. Ng baril yan. Why blame the plastics, di ba?
Tama.
Di ba?
Tayo yung may kasalanan.
Malaking tulong ang plastic pag nag-grocery ka. Kasi nung time na talagang totally bawal, supot lang, no? You will hug it, di ba? Tapos kung may basa pa, lulusot sa ilalim. One time sumalubong yung bunso ko, defenseless ako, tumakbo. Nakaganon ako, wala akong pangharang. Ayun, sa pool, aray. Naka-helmet pa yata siya, nakabike.
Kaya nga po alam nyo, ang BACC will also advocate yung let us all be environmental friendly.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Kailangan na conscious po tayo so that this globe will always be a haven to us.
Yun.
a safe place to us.
Dapat
This is only
sustainable.
one globe eh.
Yes, sir.
Isa lang. Isa lang tong mundo na ito na binigay sa atin ng Diyos para tiran. Pag hindi pa natin minahal to, no, hindi natin alam mag-segregate ng mga ways natin. In Olongapo City, talaga pong pinapatupad na dyan.
Yes.
Pinapatupad na yan.
I think ang role po natin doon is tayo magiging bantay doon kung pinapa-implement ba talaga yung mga implementing rules, yung mga city ordinances, bantayan natin na pinapa-implement talaga.
Alam niyo, totoo lang talaga. Marami ng mga batas na naipanukala eh. Batas na talaga. Kaya lang yung law enforcement po sa atin napakahirap.
Implementation.
Kaya nga BIP really is a necessity to our young generation. Yung Values Education Enrichment Program, talagang kailangan ma-inculcate yan into the mind of our young children. Para po maging kultura ng bawat Pilipino sana. Kung paano natin pangangalagaan ang ating environment, ang ating kalikasan. And as well, yung maging righteous tayo. Doing the right thing, not doing the things right.
Exactly.
Diba? Magkaiba po yun, ha?
Yes, definitely.
No? That's a big difference. If you know how to think twice, thrice, then you will be always doing the right thing. Pero pag pabigla-bigla ka, di ba? Then you will resort to doing the things right. Nagkamali ka, then there is time that you're going to rectify that wrongdoing. Nakapinsala ka na. Damage was done.
Ayan. Okay. Ang sarap po ng ating usapan. Ang dami pa sanang pwedeng pag-usapan. Kaya lang, unfortunately, we're out of time.
Yes, sir.
And may susunod na radio program.
Yes.
Until the next Monday siguro, itutuloy po natin itong mga pinag-uusapan natin. Marami pa sana. Ayan. And also, iniimbitahan po namin kayo today at 1:30 p.m. at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Part of the National Tourism Week celebration, the photo contest and the tour guiding video contest will be happening in a few minutes from now at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall.
Yes.
Ayan. Imbitado po kayong lahat na pumunta, lahat na nakikinig ngayon. It's all for free. Kita-kits there. And pasensya na po, we're out of time. Thank you, our VACC family.
Yes,
Volunteers
you,
Against
DJ
Crime and
Tommy.
Corruption.
Thank you very much.
Olongapo and Zambales chapter. Any final words?
To all the listeners and viewers of DJ Tom and the 89.5 Subic radio station, we are inviting you all to go with us in our advocacy, the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption.
All right.
Okay? God-fearing po. That is one of our...
God-fearing.
That's what really wanted to principally advocate.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, VACC.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody, catch them again next Monday. Don't forget, 12 noon time. Every Monday na po to, 12 noon time here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Stand by for the next radio show, Bay Request Express.
Subic Bay. For the best music mix.